lying. My girl, this can't be right. Such a surreal place to see. So how did this come to be? Rock to Wally. And when I think of all the places I just don't belong, I've come to grips with life and realize this is going too far. I don't belong here, we gotta move on here. Escape from this afterlife, 'cause this time I'm right to move on and on, far away from here. Place of hope with no pain, perfect skies and no rain. Can't leave this place but we're free, 'cause we've been waiting for you. All the needs in this place, just giving you a small taste of your afterlife here, so stay. You'll be back here soon anyway. This peace on earth's not right. No pain, no sign of time. So out of place, don't wanna stay. I feel wrong and that's my sign. I made up my mind.
Hanging from a tree. Sex within their race is like bestiality. The Ku Klux Klan. The Ku Klux Klan can. The Ku Klux Klan can cause us spew the world with hate and wear a funny white hood. The Ku Klux Klan can cause us spew the world with hate and wear a funny white hood. The KKK, the KKK, the KKK.